Let's ask our in-house resident golf expert, Kelly Willette. Kelly,
Willette.
what exactly is birdie? The term birdie?
Getting it in 2 shots.
2 shots.
2 shots.
In the hole.
Now, what happens when you become a turkey?
You lose it.
Hey, I'm Dael,
And I'm Mike.
and we are your V-Twin Foodies, and we are here at a place called Birdie's. And where is Birdie's located at, Mike?
It's in North Cove Leisure Club.
The North Cove Leisure Club, which used to be the old golf course up here in North Cove, and now it's turned into
A disc golf.
disc golf.
Disc golf, you know.
And
frisbee golf.
yeah, and I talked to the owner, Kyle, earlier, and he's had it for about 4 years now, trying to build up. Then all of a sudden, COVID hits, and then of course the hurricane hits. So,
Yeah.
So now he's rebuilding everything, and they're having different things going on. So, Mike, here at Birdie's, they got food, man. So,
yeah.
what did you get?
Well, I got something called the Birdie, right? And it's a big chicken sandwich. Look at that size of that filet on there. Breaded filet, a little bit of lettuce, nice big tomato slice.
Just
Look at the French fries on
some
there.
fries on that bad
Fries.
boy.
Pickle spear comes with it. Let's see if we can get that pickle spear.
Yummy.
Hey, look at there. There you
Yeah,
go.
check
Pickle
that out.
spear.
Yeah.
So this is called the Birdie.
And they got a brick the oven pizza here, and I actually got the pizza. And this is actually the slice. There you go.
The
Check
big
that now.
slice, I believe. It's
The big
called.
slice,
on the menu.
and yeah, and this has actually a hamburger, mushroom, peppers and onions, and cheese, and it looks good, man. And it just come out of that oven. Oh my gosh, man! What you got there, man? Let's see what we got.
Okay, I don't even know if I can wrap my mouth around this. It's so big. Did I mention the bun was toasted? I forgot to mention the bun. Look at
Toasted
that
bun.
beautiful
Ooh,
toasted, golden
beautiful,
toasted
man.
bun,
It's
man.
beautiful. It's beautiful.
Ready? Man, the chicken moist. The coating on the chicken, I can't even describe it. It's good.
It's the
Oh
dill.
yeah,
It's a dill.
Yeah, the dill's coming through now. Yep.
Yeah, things that it's
Mhm.
marinated in dill brine
Mm-hmm.
and everything. That's why I was like, I gotta try it. That's in fries there, bro.
Well, fries tastes like they have a little seasoning on it.
Mm.
They do, but yeah, they're hot.
It's good.
Even though we took the time to set up, they're still hot, so that's good.
Yeah. So that's why I said this pizza is like I'm feeling the heat off of it. Feel it, and it's like, whoo. See the steam coming off it. Ah. Oh, that's pizza.
What's the crust like?
It's good and crunchy. But you're getting the flavor, especially with that wood fire.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my! I love wood fire pizza. And this, everything you get the flavors of the beef, the mushroom, the peppers, and the onions, and that cheese. Just makes it all. You got a little bit of everything, man. It's like a crunch with a chewy side with it. It's perfect. Now they don't have cheer lime, so I had to go with the other soda drink.
So
yeah. So
they-
Mike, what you?
Well, I would recommend the Birdie sandwich if you weren't in the mood for a pizza or calzone, which they have here. They also have salads and wraps and subs, meatball subs, for instance.
Yeah, they have a good variety of food there.
Yes.
And they got the bar. I don't know if you can see it in the back, but y'all have a bar as well. And yeah, so again, it's Birdie's Lounge at North Cove Leisure Club, and they do have some events coming up. They got some tournaments coming up. They have one on June 14th. It's the disc golf tournament with live music. They're going to have a kids zone so the kids can come out and play. So they're probably going to have the air blow up.
Yeah,
Things,
bounce
stuff like
house
that,
type
bounce house,
things
stuff
and
like that.
slides and things. Yeah.
Going to have the food and drinks, and it's a fundraiser for Western North Carolina and the areas that got hit with by Helene, which are trying to repair it.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, everybody's trying to rebuild up, and everybody's pitching in to help other people. So it's a good thing.
They do have a full bar, beer,
Full bar.
tap beer, canned beer, liquor.
They have outside seating
Mhm.
along with the inside seating here.
Games of all kinds,
games.
shuffleboard, ping pong, foosball, pool table,
music,
jukebox. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's
Good place to
pretty
hang
nice
out.
up here.
Yeah,
So
especially on a beautiful day like today.
yeah. So if you're looking for something to do and you're in the Marion area of North Carolina, just come on up 221, and you'll see the disc golf on the left side over here, and right below us also is Melanie and her husband Jeff with caught it with his mouth full. So right below is if you don't know the story of Melanie, when the flood happened, Melanie and Jeff pitched in. They used their place down here
The
was
Catawba
hub.
River
It's
Lodge.
the Catawba River Lodge. I was gonna wait for you to get since I didn't ask. Catawba River Lodge, and we also put a video out called "The Angel of North Cove," and so it gives the credit where some credit needs to be.
Mhm.
And so if you haven't seen that video, go to the is it on
Go to our
is
page.
it
Yeah.
on our page or is it on
it's
the
on the V-Twin
the
Foodies.
V-Twin Foodies? Okay, I wasn't sure if it was on the V-Twin Foodies or if it was on the Improv Gorilla Studios. Okay, so it is there. So all right, yeah. So come on up here and give them some support. If you never played disc golf before, that's okay. There'll be somebody here to show you. They got a pro shop in there, so you can get the disc and everything else, and we'll just go from there. So enjoy yourself. All right. So for Mike and myself, and for
Kelly and Potter. That's excellent.
Did I say something wrong? What?
The gorilla was in the background.
Bigfoot. And you might, that's right. And you might have to get a glimpse of Bigfoot. Yeah. So I thought there was something hairy to come off there.
I was wondering what the heck he was barking at.
Yeah, so you might be seeing Bigfoot because they do have reports of Bigfoot up there. All right, so all right, so for myself,
Mike, Kelly, Potter.
Remember, V-Twin Foodies, where all roads lead to food.